Hi, everyone. Anybody here? Donna from Hollywood, California. Can you see me? Hi. Are you there? Hi, it's Donna from Hollywood, California. Hi, Donna. Hi, Holly. Oh, okay. Sorry, I'm late. I couldn't get on. Oh, my goodness. I'm not going to type because I can't. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Hi. Hi, Yasmin. Hi, Holly. Tanya. Hello. Hello. I just want to thank everyone. Hi, Nicole. Hi, Nicole. Thank you. I'm wearing this shirt to remind us that we have on October 2nd. October 2nd is the auction. Hi, Renee. How are you? Hi, Renee. Thank you for coming, everybody. Thank you. We have this beautiful event up October 2nd. Thank you, Holly. Thank you. You're amazing. You made a beautiful video for the sunflowers. I hope everyone can come on October 2nd to see all the beautiful, and then they're going to have a auction after that. Thank you, Renee. I'm glad you're doing well. Thank you. So, everyone, please remember October 2nd. It's Sunflowers for Daisy. It's going to be an auction and a collaboration. There's many paintings that are going to be for sale. It's going to be a wonderful event. There's a lot going on, but today I'm going to be giving away I have two things, and I'm leaving it open to oh, you're welcome, Holly. You're welcome. It's beautiful. It's so beautiful. I'm going to give away two items today. And I'm leaving it open to everything. It's international and in the United States, of course. And the first one is going to be a Dahlia that I did. And this has a little flower soft in the middle. And that's the flower soft is made from real flowers. And then there's some glitter in there. And I didn't varnish it yet, but I will varnish it before I send it out. And so that's the first one. And this is it's an 8x8, but it's you can see the colors in it are really beautiful. So that's one of the things. And then the second one, I have there's actually three pieces to this. So it's two coasters, and it's an 8-inch round. I should do it separate, I guess. So this is something I did a while ago, and it I hope it's showing up okay there. A little glary. And here's the coasters. And I didn't put the backs on yet, but it will have the cork on the back before I send it out. So that'll be the second prize in the giveaway. So that's what you win. And I don't know if this is coming out backwards. Thank you, Holly. So those are the prizes. And for legal reasons, I have to say that this is not sponsored by YouTube. And I am running the giveaway, and I'm giving out the contest prizes. That's what I have to say to make it all legal. And so to enter the contest, down below, you have to be a subscriber. You need to comment down below that you want to enter the contest, what country you're from, and your favorite color. So those are the three things. Yeah, I know YouTube wouldn't be giving anything out. They don't even let us. They don't even give out when we type our comments. Half the times they disappear. Do you find that? Does anybody find that when you type in your comments, you answer people that they just disappear on you? I know a lot of times I type things in and then I go back 2 days later and they're gone and I have to answer the people again. Yeah. Yeah. I sometimes I go, I know I answered that person. I know it. Yeah. I don't know. Isn't that the truth? Right. Right. Yeah, they do that too. Mm-hmm. I don't understand. Well, they're there to make their money. They're not really worried about us too much. Not us little guys. So yeah, so those are the things that I want to give away today. And I'll have everything in the comments below. I didn't fix everything up there yet. But I will put everything down below. I was a little behind this morning. So the contest is going to start now, and I'm going to end it on October 3rd. Okay, so Yasmin, I would like you go down below in the comments, not in the chat. If you put in the comments below, or the information, put down what you where you're from and you want to enter. If you could put it in the comments below. Yeah, Nicole, that happens to me all the time. I know I have answered people and it drives me crazy because sometimes I answer like something really long too. And it boggles my mind. Like I make this long answer and then it disappears. And then there I am answering again. And I feel terrible because sometimes it's to a lot of people. Like I'll just find a whole list of people that it's gone. It's totally gone. Yeah. I don't understand. I don't understand. So I got that. I got that. Okay, I got that. I want to make sure I wrote everything down. Oh, and then I'm excited too. There's a new collaboration that I'm starting for Halloween, October 30th and 31st. And I have so far there's 10 people. And this is open to all art forms. people that paint with a brush, people that pour, any kind of art. You don't have to be just a pour art. You can do anything. And so far, I have three other people that paint by brush or do illustrations, and they're coming. They're actually they've joined it already. They're very interested in doing the collaboration. So it's something to think about, because it's trying to bring this art community together. Um, we're all artists. We're all artists in our heart. We're all artists in our hands. Um, we all create, and you don't have to create in one way. Everybody creates in a different way. Um, some people create by pouring, some people create with a brush, some people create with a pen. There's beautiful illustrations out there, illustrators out there. Some people create with a pencil, charcoal. Um, there's so many pastels. So if you're interested, if you know somebody that is interested, please send them our way. There's a video link. I'll put that down below also. But if anybody has any questions or any ideas, they get a rise out of us. They do. I think so, Holly. You're right. They do get a rise out of it. But I'll show you these. I'll show you these one more time. So I'm going to look for the video where I did this, because I'm sure that there's a video. I'm sure there's a video somewhere. There's 275 of them, but I'll look through. I know I had to do a video on this, but I did love. I think this was. I think it started out as a pearl pour, if I'm not mistaken. It may have started out as a pearl pour when I did it. But I really enjoy doing that. And this one. And I'll put the video to this down below also. So you have 1 week. 1 week to enter. Not 1 week, I'm sorry, until the 3rd, October 3rd to enter. And that's it. So if anybody, any more questions, anybody have anything else to say? Should I say anything else? Can anybody think of anything? Oh. Okay. Okay, so thank you all. Thank you so much for coming. I really appreciate it from the bottom of my heart. I have another video. The drawing is going to be October 3rd. Yeah. Yeah. October 3rd at noon Pacific time. And I will put that down below also in the description. I'll put everything down in the description below. How to enter the contest. All the information will be down below. Thank you. Thank you, everybody. Thank you very much for coming. Thank you for being with me for this past year. If it was not for you, I would not. I wouldn't be able to be here. Thank you. Have a great day, everyone. Please be safe out there. Be safe and stay healthy. Stay healthy. It's very important. Okay. Thank you. Thank you all. Bye-bye. How do I get into it? Okay.